morning, Shamstars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Let's start today's lesson. Hello, dear children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is adverbs. Children, do you know what are adverbs? Adverbs are words which tell us more about a verb, about an action that we do. There are some of the sentences. They were playing music loudly. Tiaz was walking tiredly. The cows were grazing peacefully. The words in bold tell us more about the action performed. So these all are adverbs. Some more examples are there. The cheetah looked at the lamb hungrily. They started on their journey later. We met Sham here for the first time. Adverbs can be formed by adding ly to the adjectives. Many adverbs are also formed by dropping the y at the end and adding ily to the adjectives like sweet, soft, bold, meek, merry, happy. These all words are adjectives, and when we put ly or ily at the end of these words, they will become adverbs. Some adverbs are not formed from adjectives. These are fast, soon, out. So here are some of the sentences. You have to underline the adverbs in the sentences. Now in next exercise, some of the adjectives are there in the column here. So you have to change these adjectives in form of adverbs by putting ly or ily. Now next, some adverbs tell us how something happened. Such adverbs are called adverbs of manner. For example, the tiger roared loudly. So in this sentence, when we ask questions, how did tiger roar? So the answer is loudly. So that is action, how the tiger roaring, that is adverb. Next sentence, the dog slept soundly. If we ask questions, how did dog sleep? So that will be answer soundly. So these are the adverbs that are telling action of the animals, like loudly tells us how the tiger roared, and the adverb soundly tells us how the dog slept. Some adverbs tell us where something happened. Such adverbs are called adverbs of place. For example, Hari went out in the evening. The arrow fell here. The adverb out tells us where Hari went. The adverb here tells us where the arrow fell. So in both of the sentences, these are adverbs of place. Some adverbs tell us when something happened. Such adverbs are called adverbs of time. Like Meera will meet you tomorrow. She will arrive soon. The adverb tomorrow tells us when Meera will meet him. So that answer is tomorrow. The adverb soon tells us when she will arrive. The answer is soon. So to identify the adverb in a sentence, pick out the verb and ask how, where, when. The word which answers any of these questions is the adverb. How any action took place, where any action took place, or when any action took place. So these are some of the exercise. Choose the correct adverbs of manner to fill in the blanks. Next is underline the adverbs of time, and in E part you have to fill in the blanks using adverbs of place from the box, like outside, upstairs, anywhere, up, out, here. So these are the exercises that you have to complete on the basis of the rules that are given, that are explained here. To understand adverbs perfectly, you have to Remember some of the points that are adverbs can be formed by adding ly or illy at the end of adjectives. Adverbs of manner tell us how the action took place. Adverbs of place tell us where the action took place. Adverbs of time tell us when the action took place. So children, that's it for today. I hope you have understood this chapter well. Still you have any doubt, we can discuss the same chapter in our doubt session. So take care. Till then, bye bye. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom